In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add market sentiment technicals in TradingView Pro. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get this powerful tool onto your charts so you can better read overall market momentum and bias. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and have a chart open for any asset you want to analyze. This could be a stock, a cryptocurrency, a forex pair, or an index. Once your chart is on the screen, we'll start by opening the Indicators menu. At the top of the chart, look for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually near the timeframes and other toolbar options. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the Indicators window, which is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools and scripts to your chart. Inside this Indicators window, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly into that search box so you can type. This is where you're going to look for market sentiment technicals. As you type the phrase, TradingView will automatically start filtering the list of results below. Now, carefully look through the results that appear and locate the one named market sentiment technicals. This is the tool we want to add. When you see it in the list, simply click on it once. As soon as you do, TradingView will add it to your chart automatically. You should notice new visual elements appear, which might include color bars, lines, or other sentiment-related overlays, depending on how the script is designed. Take a moment to look at how it's displayed on your chart. You can hover over it or check the legend to confirm that market sentiment technicals has been applied. If you want to customize it, you can usually do that by hovering over its name in the indicator list on the chart, then clicking on the settings icon. From there, you can adjust visuals like colors, line styles, or visibility to better match your personal chart layout. If you're not already on a pro plan and you want to follow along with all of these features exactly as shown, check out the affiliate link for TradingView Pro in the video description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it gives you access to more advanced tools, including a wider range of indicators, saved layouts, and other premium features that make working with market sentiment much smoother. That's all there is to it. You've now added market sentiment technicals to your TradingView Pro chart, and you're ready to start incorporating sentiment into your analysis.